things are better in this country 10 years later, and a lot of that credit does go to Rich Falkenrath. Working in Washington and New York City, he's one of the guys that made a lot of this stuff happen, and he deserves a lot of the credit. You know, I got to tell you, I honestly don't think that this is going to either move the president's popularity numbers. I don't think it's going to move the immigration debate at all. I mean, there's a lot of emotion right now, but the reality is this doesn't really have much to tell us about any of those things. And people that either, try to use this to push their agenda, either for or against the immigration bill or for or against gun control, they're going to wind up losing a lot of credibility and I think looking pretty stupid. And so I think actually what's going to happen is people are going to, smarten up pretty quickly and realize they don't want to play politics with this tragedy. They want to get back to the issues and argue them on their merit. So I'm in the camp that says by Monday, this winds up being disconnected because people are going to look at the poll numbers and they're going to say, not good to make light of a tragedy and try to use it for political purpose.
Mr. Carafano, we were just talking about the politics of it, but we're also talking about how major American cities move forward after an event like this. After this is processed over the weekend, what happens in American cities come Monday morning?
Well, we may learn some tweaks, but the reality, and Richard will tell you this, the reality is this has been the great fear of major metropolitan areas for a long time. They've been planning for this. They've been worried about IEDs. They're easy to do. You can go on the internet and learn how to do this. There's plenty of people out globally trying to radicalize people in the United States to do this. The FBI's been worried about it. Homeland Security's been worried about it. They've been planning for it. They've been training in it. So the reality is this was going to happen. Look, this could have been the Times Square bombing. The only difference is in Times Square, the bomb didn't go off. So, I hate using the trite term, the new normal, but dude, this is the new normal.